So here's something roughly what you have. You're looking to draft this end of it. So what I think the easiest way to do this is to go to construct plane through two edges. Pick this edge here for one, down the other side the same one. That'll give you a plane through there. And then you want to split it. Split body. Split this body. Select your splitting tool and use that plane that you just made as the splitting tool. Now these two halves are separate. You can hide that construction plane. You can hide the first body. So now we're left with just the section that you want to modify. What you're talking about is making this angle downward as it goes from this end to this end. So you want to draft that. Modify, draft. Select this inside portion. Then select the face that you actually want to modify. And as you're looking at this angle control here now changes that. So you can change that to whatever you want. If you need something finer than that, then just type in whatever you need here. And once that's done, make the other part visible again. Modify, combine this body, and it's one piece again.